What's going on, everybody? Swifty Pants here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a kick-ass intro like this. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to panzoid.com. This is the website that I usually use to make my intros. So there's a bunch of them. On the first page, the home page of Panzoid, is only going to be nine different intros. But if you don't like any of these, all you got to go do is click more creations down here, and then you're going to find a bunch of them in here. Oh, look, the Squid Game one. Here's a good template here. Let's do this one. If you can explore around, poke around, like here, this is like a setup template for you. Make sure once you click into a template, there should be an eyeball in the bottom left hand corner. Click that and press play. So this is what the template is without anything edited yet. Pretty cool, right? So how do we change this word template into whatever the name of your channel is? So my channel name is Swifty Pants. So what I want you to do is go to the very left. There should be a bar here. Click this cube looking thing called objects. Click in there, and then you see group text. Make sure you're clicking on the texts here. Text 1, 2, 3, 4. Change all of these into whatever you want it to say.
Bruh. You can't even spell your own name.
I cannot type. What is wrong with me? There you go. My channel name is Swifty Pants. So you see how I changed it and it changed to my name? Make sure you do that for all of these. Once you've got that done, see, slowly coming together. Swifty panties. Okay, so there. See how my name shows up? Now you gotta press. All you gotta do is press play. There's your intro. So that is pretty much all you need to know. All you guys need to know is how to change the texts. There are a lot of things that you can do with it. You can change the positioning here, this red underlined position. You can go up or down. You can go left or right. You can go back and forth. You can change the rotation. You can change this rotation this way or that way. You can change a lot of stuff in here, but I have to warn you, if you do this, there is no such thing as Control-Z here. This is not Photoshop. This is not Premiere Pro. So if you fuck up, catch it before you fuck up 2 or 3 or 4 times in a row, because you cannot undo it. There is no undo button. The undo button is here. This reload button. You're gonna have to start all over again. So catch your mistakes right after you make them. Don't go 2, 3, 4 steps and make 4 mistakes in a row, because there's no way to save that. But as long as you know how to change the text, that's pretty much all you need to know. Now, how do we download this, Swifty? That is just simple. Right here. Left side bar 1, 2, 3, 4. This download button here. Make sure you change the mode to good quality, and the format is going to be an MKV file. I will show you how to convert that to an MP4 file if your editing software will not let you use an MKV file. So what we're going to do is we're going to start video render. Time lapse this. So okay, now that it's done rendering, all you gotta do is download your video. There you go. Press that, and it should come out over here. Once you have that, Now, it's going to be an MKV file, but if your editing software will not let you use an MKV file, download this software called Handbrake. There you go. Should show up like this. Once you're done downloading it, I'll send you a link. I'll put a link to this download website in the description below, so make sure to go check that out. Once you have it downloaded and everything's good to go, drag the video file that you want to convert to an MP4 file straight in here. That's all you got to do. That's simple. Now, there are a few steps that we need to go through before we start the encode. So make sure that the format here is on MP4. Make sure you click Web Optimized. Make sure the dimensions are right. 1920 by 1080. Filters, don't really have to pay attention to that. Video, depending on whatever you want, you can do 60 frames per second, 30, or 24. Depends on you. I'm just going to keep it on 30 for now for the sake of the tutorial. Now make sure you do the constant quality, change that to 18. Keep that at 18. Whenever you convert a file, make sure the constant quality is at 18. Now, this is very important. Save as. Make sure you know where you save it. So I'm going to save it into my videos file here. I already have a bunch of videos and recordings in this file. So I'm going to change the name of this file to Swifty Pants Intro Tutorial. There you go. That way it's easier to find. Now all we got to do is click save. Once it's saved, make sure your name is right. Start the encode. It should only take about 3 seconds. Probably less. Queue is finished. You see that? It's only a few second video, so the converting should be very fast. Now, all we gotta do is pull up that file, and it should be right here where you saved it. Click it open. There you go. There's your intro. Okay, now, you're all good to go. Open whatever video software editing software you use, and put that intro at the very beginning of the video, or wherever you want it to be, and press play. There you go. That's simple. That's how you make an intro. So, all of the intros that I have on my channel, say this one for my Warzone with Friends intro. All of that was made here in this website. So that's pretty much all you guys need to know. As long as you know how to change the text inside the template, you guys are all set. So come to the website, poke around, find some intros that you like, and play around with the settings a little bit. You'll find something that you like, I promise. It's a pretty easy to use website, and it's completely free. Hopefully you liked this video and it helped you out a lot. Please consider subscribing, leave a like for the video. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. Join up on my Discord server if you want to talk to me or DM me personally, and I can walk you through some stuff you don't understand. That's pretty much it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.